Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the system and jumping straight into settings. Make sure you're using an administrator account. Once done, create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Open Start and choose Settings or press Win+I to save time. In Settings, navigate to Apps immediately and then to Installed Apps. This puts you where you can remove modern apps. You're now set to locate the gallery app for removal. Don't skip the restore step. It protects you against mistakes. You'll now remove the gallery app. Scroll the installed apps list and locate photos or any gallery package. Click the three-dot menu and try uninstall first. If uninstall is unavailable, choose advanced options to terminate and reset, then retry. When that fails, open PowerShell as admin and run getapps package *photos *remove apps package to remove the current user package. Use all users and disable provisioned apps package for system-level removal. Make sure to confirm each prompt. This avoids leaving remnant components. Finish by restarting the machine to ensure the removal is fully applied. Once done, verify gallery functionality is gone. If something breaks or other image handlers fail, reinstall photos from the Microsoft Store or revert via the restore point you made earlier. If reinstalling doesn't help, run DISM and SFC scans to repair system files. Open PowerShell as admin and run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then SFC/scano. If problems persist, make sure to use the restore point. It's the fastest safety net.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.